Good morning, guys. I'm brushing my teeth in the kitchen because the cat's out in the sink, so I don't wanna move Mille. I'm just doing some more dishes, and Jason's watching. I don't know what it's called in English, but Cusco 2, the one where he's turned into a llama with Kong and Isma and all that. It's a good movie. At least the first one. Maybe I've seen the second one, I don't know. I don't remember. I'm just gonna go clean up some more before I eat breakfast myself. Here we go. Let's have some breakfast. Cusco, Cusco, Cusco. Du har godt lide Cusco. Og Kong. Oh, I'm lying down. Being a full-time parent ain't easy, guys. Well, it's pretty easy, but it is also exhausting. So I'm just lying down, relaxing for a while. I asked him if he's hungry, if he wants some lunch. He doesn't want any. So I'm just waiting until he wants some lunch. We've just been watching this Cusco show all day. He likes it. Jeg skal forbi, Jason. Jeg skal hjem.
Det kommer du altid.
Det bliver jeg nødt til. Alright, I'm listening to some Mobb Deep, Pour the Henny. And I'm just gonna go by my Somali family real quick and see if my shoes have arrived. And then I'm gonna go home. It's gonna be a bit of a journey. I think Dion's gonna be happy to see me. Jason didn't want to let me leave. He's gonna miss me. That nice lady gave me some professional shampoo. You know, she's a hairdresser, so she gets the stuff for cheap. And I left it here because I have a bunch of female cousins with long hair, and I'm sure they're gonna appreciate it. And I already have some shampoo over at the apartment where Dion is. So yeah, I'm just gonna get my wheel. I parked it here, and I use this alarm mechanism right here. Now I gotta unlock it. There we go. I just put it so that it'll start beeping and going crazy if someone tries taking it, so I could hear it. Because I wasn't trying to get it up all the way up the stairs, because I just had to leave the shampoo and then some empty vapes that me and my cousin are gonna take the batteries out of and make some projects with the batteries. Yeah, now I'm going to Copenhagen Central Station. Get home to Dion, cook him some proper food. He hasn't had any proper food since I've been there, I'm sure. But yeah, I can't film and hold my bag at the same time. So see you guys. Yo guys, I'm on the train station now. Man, I love riding down the main road of Copenhagen, the Nørrebrogade Frederikssundsvej. Dude, I was blasting, okay? Oh my god. I don't know what the cops think, man. It's been a while since they've seen me around. Oh, but I had so much fun, man. I love this fucking wheel. Thank you so much, Mike, for helping me out with getting it. I'm back, guys. I just took a shower, and now me and Dion were watching some China show. About to cook some food. I'm gonna go buy some soda. I need some soda. I ain't got no cigarettes, so I'm gonna drink some soda instead. I got just enough time to make it. I'm gonna leave my phone here with Dion so we can watch the China show. Check out this slop. Oh my god, it's gonna be so good. I just gotta make some mushrooms for Dion. I don't really want any. I'm not big into mushrooms. Only the enlightening kind. Check this out. Fucking great. Let's go. I'm gonna douse mine in ketchup. Y'all know me.